famous Get Right. And thank y'all for joining us again today on Lil Herbie Animated Series Word of the Day. And the word of the day is unity. Unity is spelled U-N-I-T-Y. And unity simply means the state of being joined as a whole. And we're going to go over here and check on Lil Herbie and let him show us an example of unity.
Do you need help typing your paper?
Yes, Lil Herbie, I surely do. That was a super job, Lil Herbie. And remember, kids, to log on Monday through Friday, YouTube channel, Lil Herbie Series, and check out Lil Herbie Series Word of the Day. And everyone voice matters, and I'm Lil Herbie too.